Good morning to everyone. Our today's lesson is plants living and surviving. So plants grow in different kind of environments such as cold mountains and deserts and ponds. The environment in which plants grow and is commonly found is called as natural habitat. The various plants habitats can broadly divided into four types, that is terrestrial plant, aquatic plant, insectivorous plant, and so first one, terrestrial plants. The plants that grow on the land habitats such as plains, cold and snowy mountains, or marshy lands and deserts are called terrestrial plants. So first one, plants that grow in plains. The climate in the plains can range from very hot to very cold. Plants that grow in the plains have many branches and lush green crowns. For example, people, banyan, mango, neem, and sesame are the trees that grow in plains. So, trees in the plains have a large number of thin and lightweight leaves. The large number of leaves helps them capture a lot of sunlight to make food. Some trees keep shedding leaves and growing new ones throughout the year. They stay green round the year. So they are called evergreen trees. Some trees in the plains shed all their leaves once a year, usually during the winter. Such trees are called deciduous trees. Deciduous trees grow new leaves in spring. So the next one, rainforest. Rainforests are found in hot and wet places where it rains heavily. There are large number of plants of different shapes and sizes grown. Plants that grow in coastal areas. The weather in coastal areas is hot and wet and windy. The soil is sandy and water is very salty in the coastal areas. So the trees growing in the coastal areas are tall and straight. They have crown of giant feather-like leaves, which allow the wind to pass through, and the coconut tree grows in abundance coastal areas. Plants that grow in marshy areas. Marshy areas have a clayey, wet soil. Water does not drain out from the soil. The soil becomes very damp and lack air. How do plants survive in such condition? Let us find out. Trees in marshy areas remain submerged in water and their roots do not get enough air. Mangrove trees have adapted to grow well in marshy areas. Their roots grow out from the sides and help the plant to breathe. Such roots are called breathing roots. The Sundari mangrove trees are found in marshy areas of Sundarbans in West Bengal. Then, plants in mountains. High mountains become very cold during snowfall, and some trees found in mountains are pine and spruce and cedar and fir. The mountain trees survive in cold conditions by showing the following adaptation, that are the trees are straight and tall. They have conical crowns. The conical shape of tree causes the snow to slide off easily without damaging the tree. They have tough needle shaped leaves. It is difficult for snow to accumulate on the narrow needle shaped leaves, protect them from the frost. Instead of flowers, these trees have cones that contain seeds. For example, apple, walnut, and almond trees also grow in snowy mountains. These trees have round crowns, however, they shed their leaves in winter. Then, plants that grow in desert. Cactus and date palms are mostly found in desert. Let us find out how they survive in the hot and dry climate of desert. Desert plants have small leaves. How do you think this helps desert plants? Most plants lose water throughout the stomata in the leaves. In deserts, there is a scarcity of water. Smaller leaves help the desert plants to retain water by minimizing the water loss. In the desert plants, for example, cactus, the leaves are modified into spines and thorns. This helps the plant to prevent water loss. It also discourages animals from eating the plant. The cactus stem is green and thick and fleshy. The green stem carries out photosynthesis and store water for the plant. A waxy layer on the stem helps to reduce loss of water. Desert plants have roots which spread deep into the ground in search of water. The date palm tree have strong and hardy leaves. This helps them to survive in hot and dry desert.